In this example, we're going to discuss the importance of the unit when representing fractions. So the unit is our unit of measure. We've been talking a lot about units, and a unit is what we're going to call 1 in this case. So a unit is what we're calling 1. Okay, so depending on what we think the unit is, just like it mattered whether it was tokens or quarters or chocolate candies and peanut butter candies, what we're referring to makes a huge and very important difference in how we represent something. So let's look at an example and see how 3 people can each see a problem differently and all be correct. They're just using a different unit. So let's highlight important information. Sean's family made 3 trays of brownies. Sean ate 2 brownies from the first batch and 1 from the third batch, as shown in the image below. So here are the 3 trays of brownies, and he had 2 from this batch and 1 from this batch. So these are the brownies that he ate. Now his family disagreed on the amount of brownies he ate and gave the 3 answers below. And maybe you're looking at this and you already have an answer and you think, how could you ever see this in a different way? Well, we're going to see how what you're calling 1 or the unit really does make a difference. So it says, draw a picture of the unit, the amount that represents 1 that makes each answer true. So the first person said he had 3. Okay, so notice I could have said 3 brownies, but I just said 3. Well, 3 what? That's the question. And you could say 3 brownies, but what's a brownie? So you may say, because of how this is phrased, that this is a brownie, this is a brownie, and this is a brownie. Okay, so if you're thinking of 1 small square as a brownie, then Sean absolutely had 3. Okay. Now someone else said 3 6. Okay, so where is that coming from? So here's 3. So let's put 3 brownies. So we can see the 3. Now where is the 6 coming from? Well, this person was thinking, you can move this over here. Okay, think of this as being part of the first tray, so you can compare it to the unit, which would be 1 tray of brownies. So draw a picture like this, and it would be 1 tray. So if you're thinking of this as the unit, 1 tray of brownies, then he did have 3 6 of a tray of brownies. Okay, again, so here it's 3 brownies, where a brownie is 1 little square brownie. Here it's 3 6 of 1 tray of brownies. Now the third person said 3/18. Okay, well, 3/18 of what? What's the unit? Well, we can look at the 3 as the 3 shaded pieces. Now what are there 18 of? So here there's 6, 12, 18. So if we look at all 3 trays of brownies, he had 3 out of the 18 total pieces. So let's draw the 3 trays. So if the unit is, we'll say 3 trays, or you could think of it as all the brownies made, then you could say that Sean had 3/18 of all of these brownies. Okay, so lots of times in the context of the problem, you'll be given what the unit is, and it may not be that direct. They may say the unit is this. You may have to say, this question may say, how many brownies did he eat? This one might say, what fraction of 1 tray of brownies did he eat? And this one, the directions might say, what fraction of all of the brownies did he eat? Okay, so all of these distinctions are very subtle, but they're very, very important, because remember, when you first looked at this, you probably saw it a certain way, but now you can see it in all the different ways. So make sure in word problems that you're thinking about what the unit is and what represents 1 and interpreting it from the context.